In our previous video, we looked at the advantages of using infrared temperature sensors compared to traditional contact probes in the food and beverage industry. In this video, we'll take a look at some more specialised applications where there may be obstacles involved. We'll start with a common example where food product moves along a conveyor belt. If the food temperature is hotter or colder than the conveyor temperature, then you're only interested in measuring the temperature of the food item itself. We can use things like peak hold or valley hold, which are available on our configurable sensors. A suitable option for this is the PyroUSB model PUA2, which measures temperatures from minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 1000 degrees Celsius, which covers a very wide range for both hot and cold food products. The sensor can be configured using our free Calyx config software, which you can use settings, output processing, and selecting the hold mode type and hold period. For example, with peak hold, this can be used to ignore the conveyor if it is cooler than the product, while valley hold can be used to ignore the conveyor temperature if it is warmer than the product, such as when ice cream moves along it. Another consideration is ambient temperature. The PyroUSB can operate in temperatures up to 70 degrees Celsius. If the application is warmer than that, such as in a baking line or a cooker, then the PyroMini-HA and HA, which can withstand 120 degrees and 180 degrees respectively, will be more beneficial. Another common question we see is how to measure food items inside glass containers. General purpose sensors will typically measure the glass temperature itself from the outside, so we opted for short wavelength 2.2 micron sensors such as the PyroUSB PUA2 or PyroMini 2.2, which will measure the food product inside. Finally, if the application is hazardous, such as certain flour milling processes where ATEX certification is required, we have the ExTemp sensor, which will be a suitable option here. Thank you for listening.